Welcome all of you in online teaching learning process. We have started paper number 7, in which already we have seen unit number first, coordination chemistry, and in our last lecture we studied about the isomerism in complexes with coordination number 4 and 6 and their types. Already we have studied geometrical isomerism, also called as cis-trans isomerism, in coordination number 4, and in this lecture we will see geometrical isomerism in complexes with coordination number 6. So isomers of metal complexes, in case of coordination number 6, the geometry is octahedral one. So these are the octahedral complexes. If two ligands in an octahedral complex are positioned different from other 4, then type is MA4B2. In this case, A having similar ions or atoms and B having similar. When we kept B at different positions, we are getting cis-trans isomerism, that is geometrical isomerism. Here two B ligands can be placed either in two ways, either cis and trans. If we kept B at this position and this position, they are cis to each other, and if we kept at this position adjacent to each other, they are cis isomers, because they are making 90-degree angle in each position, so they are cis isomer. But in second diagram, they are making 180-degree angle and they are opposite to each other, so they are trans isomer. So in case of MA4B2, we are getting cis isomer and trans isomer, and they are positioned like this. So first example, in the case of geometrical isomerism of coordination number 6, and geometry is octahedral one. We are studying only octahedral geometry. And first example, MA4B2, A 4 times, B 2 times, and example is platinum Cl4NH3 twice, diamine tetrachloroplatinum 4. Or another example is tetramine dichloro cobalt 3. So these two complexes will be placed in the form of geometrical isomerism like cis and trans. In this complex platinum Cl4NH3 twice, if we kept NH3 adjacent to each other, we are getting cis isomer, and if we kept NH3 groups opposite to each other, then we are getting trans isomer. So these are the cis trans isomerism for platinum Cl4NH3 twice. Similarly, we can arrange cis trans isomerism for CONH3 Cl twice. Then another example is MA2B2C2 type, and example is platinum NH3 twice, pyridine twice, Cl twice, and the nomenclature is diamine dichloro dipyridine platinum 4. So in this complex we can arrange these groups, that is 2 chlorines, 2 amines, 2 pyridines adjacent to each other, we are getting cis isomerism. And if we kept these groups opposite to each other, similar groups opposite to each other, we are getting trans isomerism. So this is the arrangement. Similarly, we can replace the positions. Suppose we can kept only chlorine opposite to each other, we are getting this type of isomerism. We are putting pyridine opposite to each other, then another groups adjacent to each other. This type of isomerism also possible. And in fifth one, ammonia opposite to each other, we are getting this type of arrangement. So in case of MA2B2C2 along with cis trans, we are getting another 3 different arrangements for the isomers. Then In case of Ma3B3, that is, for example, chromium Cl thrice and NH3 thrice. If we kept 3 chlorines in the triangular or 3 NH3 groups in triangular positions like this, then this is called cis or facial or face isomer. And if we kept 3 Cl groups and 3 NH3 groups like this position, then they are called trans or meridional or mer isomers. So in case of facial, they are kept as like triangular position like this, and in meridional they are kept like these positions. So in the case of Ma3B3 type, for example, CONH3 thrice Cl thrice, that is triamine trichlorocobalt 3 or trichloro or triaqua trichlororuthenium 3+. So in this case, ruthenium 3 chlorines are kept in one triangle and 3 waters are kept in another triangle. Like this position, they are called facial isomer, and in this they are kept like this, 3 chlorines and 3 water. So this is a meridional isomer. Then what is facial and meridional isomerism? When 3 ligands are situated at the one face of the regular octahedron, that is 1, 2, 3 position, then this type of isomer is called facial isomerism. When they are kept, that is like this, in the octahedron one face at the one side face, then they are called as facial isomers, one side face. And when 3 ligands are arranged on a meridian, that is 1, 2 and 6 position, then this type of isomerism is called meridional isomerism. If we kept 1, 2 and 3 like this, then they are called as facial. But we kept 1, 2 and 6 position, then they are called as meridional isomerism. So this is about the facial and meridional isomerism in case of geometrical isomerism. Then next type is ABCDEF type. An example is, here each and every ligand is different one: platinum, NH3, pyridine, NO2, Cl, Bri. So by keeping one of the one ligand at fixed position and rotating the different 5 positions, we are getting total 15 isomers. So in exam they will ask, that is ABCDEF type gives how many isomers? The answer is 15 isomers. Then another example is AA twice A2 type. Example is COEN twice Cl2 plus, that is dichloro bis-ethylene diamine cobalt 3. So this is a symmetrical one and this is a monodentate one. When we keep chlorine trans to each other, then this isomer is called as trans isomer. When we kept chlorine cis to each other, they are called as cis isomer. En means ethylene diamine, NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 type. Then next example, A2B2 type. COEN NH3 twice Cl twice plus, that is diamine dichloro ethylene diamine cobalt 3. When we kept chlorine trans, then this is isomerism is trans isomer. When we kept chlorine cis, then it is called as cis isomerism. So this is the another example. And in last example, AB thrice type, that is COGLY thrice, means tris glycinato cobalt 3 complex. Here AB is an asymmetrical bidentate ligand, that is NH2 CH2 CO minus. When we kept, that is nitrogen oxygen adjacent to each other, then it is called cis isomer. when we kept these groups are opposite to each other, that is oxygen opposite to oxygen, nitrogen opposite to nitrogen, one of them, then it is a trans isomer. So these are the examples of geometrical isomerism in coordination number 6. So thank you all of you for listening this video.